love this trade and I adore it because, started with $1, we've been able to make $5,500. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma and we continue our trading on binary options. So you remember how we did our best, how we made efforts and we really made the progress. So today I want to do my best again and I don't know what price I want to achieve actually, but we will try. We will really try to do everything. And if you want to know more trading signals, trading techniques, and secrets, my own secrets, so write me in Telegram the code word private and I will add you to the special private chat and I will tell you everything I know and even more. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write your comments, and we are starting. So I will try to overclock my deposit from $1 during the day. Let's see how much we will be able to reach, and in order not to delay this video, I will speed up the trades and make comments on some of them. So let's see the first situation here. There is a resistance level as well as a support level. We also can see a strong price drop. I think the price will drop to about these values. So I suggest entering here for the time period of 2 minutes. I think this time's gonna be enough for me. Now I'm gonna enter with my $1 and every trade I want to enter within my entire deposit. So guys, let's open the first trade and wait for its result. So guys, the first trade is about to close and yes, it's closing net positive. I think we can enter another trade, but wait until price drops down to the support level and then I can enter with a trade with up. 1 minute is enough here, so let's check it. Guys, our trade closed in the profit. The level has worked perfectly, so let's find another situation. Here we're entering from the support level for 1 minute with up. I suppose it's the ample time, so let's check it. So guys, it's a dangerous situation, but everything is fine. The trade is profitable again. Let's keep on. So here you can see the horizontal resistance level. There is a good chance here. There is a strong unidirectional upward movement. So I want to enter here with up for 1 minute only. And with my $4, I think we'll be able to close in the profit. Yeah, that's awesome. We got our profit, so let's keep on. So here we have a strong unidirectional upward movement, so we're entering with up for 1 minute due to the trend. So guys, here you can see the mirror level, the support level. I'm entering the trade with up for 1 minute and let's wait with what result it will close this time. So here there is a little pullback and we're getting profit. Let's keep on. Here you can see and notice the support level, so I'm opening the trade with up for 1 minute. Let's wait for its result. So it's a dangerous situation, but everything's perfect. The price is going up, the support zone works perfectly, and our trade closed net positive. We can choose another situation. So guys, here there is a mirror level, the resistance level has become the support one. The price is approaching it from the top down, so I'm entering the trade with up and 1 minute is enough I suppose. And let's wait for it to close. And our trade is closing in the profit again. Oh my god, my luck, that's awesome. So here at the top there is a resistance level. I think that the price will continue to approach this level and further it can break it through. I'm gonna open the trade for 3 minutes with up and with $142. So let's check what we can get. So guys, the price has broken through this level. Our trade closed net positive again and I really want to continue. So here there are the support and resistance levels and we're gonna have something like the scalping. Let's wait until the price drops down to the one of the levels and to enter the trade, either with up or with down, and I'll put 2 minutes and I'm sure this time will be quite enough. So I'm entering the trade with up and let's check its result. So guys, the price has brilliantly pulled back from the support level. We are getting the profit here, so let's choose another one. Here we're having the support level, the price is actively going up and I want to wait until the price approaches the level and enter the trade with up. I think 4 minutes will be enough here, so let's wait for it to close. So guys, the support level has worked perfectly and our trade is again profitable. How lucky I'm! So here you can see that touching to this level, most likely the price will continue to move to the lower level, the support level. And I'm entering the trade for 3 minutes with down. So let's watch it. And yeah, the profit again, and I consider to enter the trade from the main support level. And enter it with up. I think 1 minute will be okay here, so let's have it and wait for its result. So 1 minute was quite enough here. We got a little pullback, but let's keep on out trading. So guys, here there is the resistance level, the price has firmly approached this level and I think 5 minutes will be enough for this trade, with the chance if the price makes a pullback down. So let's watch it. So it's a dangerous situation here. 5 minutes are, 5 minutes are okay, but I guess we could have had a little more. But anyway, we got one return and 2 profitable trades. So let's keep on and search for another situation and enter one more trade, the last for today I think. So guys, here we are having the support level, so I think to enter here for 5 minutes with up. I suppose the price will pull back over this time. We're entering with $3,000, so let's check what we can get here. So guys, our trades are about to close. The level has worked well and that's awesome because our trades are net positive. I really love this trade. I adore it because, starting with $1, we've been able to make $5,500. Oh, this result is really crazy because it's not easy to make $5,000 but we really managed, and I can tell you only one thing: come to my Telegram, write me the code word private, because I've got some more interesting situations, and other interesting moments and videos that you haven't seen before, but you can get this chance and just write me, subscribe to the channel, put your like, because this result is really crazy and you can get it too, you can make it too, and this is not so scary process actually, because really you can see $1 we got and $5,000 we made, so it's perfect.